Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a library in SAS Studio and connect it to a folder. You just need to do it once and you should be able to access that folder anytime you want. Please remember to subscribe to my channel for many other videos on data mining, data science and statistics. As you know, one of the biggest challenges with using SAS is the way SAS handles folders and files. Unlike other software such as SPSS and Excel, SAS handles folders through libraries. More specifically, when we use SAS Enterprise Miner, we do not open a file from a folder, but rather from a library. That means a folder containing files must be connected to a library, and SAS Enterprise Miner must be connected to the same library to allow us to access the files in that folder. It is certainly cumbersome and requires several steps to open a file. But this is a way SAS always uses to handle folders, as it is easier for managing data for SAS projects, especially when you have many different folders with numerous files. And note that SAS Enterprise Miner is not designed to upload files, change the file name, or move files between folders. Those actions must be done using SAS Studio, which is free. It will take some time to get used to it, but then it will be easier once we understand the process. Like I said, we just need to do it the first time, then the library is always there for you to access. Please also note that data mining software is not created for easy data treatment and modification. Software apps like RapidMiner and SAS Enterprise Miner do not even allow us to make changes to the data. The reason is that we're working with a lot of data, and such features might cause some accident changes to data without us knowing about it. It will be a disaster since the output will be invalid and there's no way for us to find the errors. So do not be surprised if you find out that you're not able to change the data or even variable names in those apps. My recommendation is to clean and treat the data in advance using Excel or SPSS before importing the data file to the data mining software. These tools are designed for data cleaning, especially Excel, so it will actually save time. Now let's create a library in SAS Studio. This is my SAS Studio, and the folder I use to store all data files is truang data. Make sure that you do not use space in the folder name. I will upload a new data file to this folder. To do that, we'll click on the upload icon and select the file, which is cardiac.sas7bdat, which is a SAS data file. Then click OK. Then click upload. Now you see that files in the truang data folder. Now I need to create a library and connect it to this folder. I just need to do it once, then I can always access current or new files in this folder. We'll click on the arrow next to library to expand this menu. To create a new library, move the mouse to My Libraries, right click and select New Library. We will need to choose a name for the library. I will call it Research. The path option refers to the link to a specific folder. So we'll click Browse and then find the folder under Files. Click on the folder truang data and click OK. Now you see the path to that folder in this text box. Click OK again. To see my library Research, expand the library menu again and scroll down. You see a new library called Research. Click on that folder and we will see all data files that I have in the truang data folder. So basically, when I upload new data files to this folder, they will show up in this Research library. Remember that we always see SAS files with the extension SAS7bdat because SAS cannot open files in different formats. In the next videos, I'll show you how to convert an Excel file to SAS file and how to access the library in SAS Enterprise Miner. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and bye now.